In this video we will be installing both Lifetime LED Black Series 30 watt and Silver Series 70 watt headlights on an 02 to 09 Honda VFR800 Interceptor. First, remove both left and right mirrors. Next, remove both pillars, followed by both windshield bolts. Next, remove the two upper fairing bolts and the clips holding on the dashboard. Carefully remove both sides of the dashboard. Carefully pull off the dash cover. Next, remove the two 10mm nuts underneath the dashboard and the two retaining clips at the back of the lower fairing. Finally, remove the lower fairing bolt. Lean the front end forward and disconnect all electrical connections. Carefully remove the front fairing. Now that the fairing is off, you can remove the stock bulb. As an option, you can reuse the stock boot by trimming out the inner ring with a utility knife. Install the LED bulb and carefully lock it into place. Reinstall the boot. Again, this is optional. Remember to thread the lead through the center. Next, mount the LED driver off to the side. Attach the power lead by lining up the arrows on the connector and screwing them together snugly. Ensure enough slack to reach the stock harness. For the Silver Series, you can mount the LED section first, followed by the boot. Then screw on the heatsink fan. Ensure both LED and fan leads are connected to the driver. If after install the Silver Series flicker, you may need to install the CAN bus system shown here. You can now reinstall the fairing on the bike in the reverse order from removal. As you can see, both Black and Silver Series offer a much wider and brighter field of view over the stock halogens. Now, let's see them in action.